Hi, I'm George with Efficient AC, Electric, and Plumbing in Austin, Texas. Today, I'm going to talk about improving indoor air quality with your AC system. Isn't allergy season fun? In Austin, a beautiful spring day can lead to sneezing, runny nose, watery eyes, dust everywhere, medications that leave you wired or tired. Just a minute. Ugh. But I've got some good news. Your HVAC system can actually help. Filters are the starting point. Keep your filters clean and use high-quality pleated filters. None of the cheap spun kinds, please. If your filter loads up with too much dirt, it will slow the air changes and air will leak around the filter and your air quality will deteriorate. Using a higher MERV or higher efficiency filter can also help, but avoid using high MERV, high efficiency filters that are only 1 inch thick. They are too restrictive. High MERV filters are typically 10 and up. Average MERV or standard MERV filters are 8, 9, maybe even as low as 7. So 1 inch filters, you need to stay to the lower numbers. If you have 4 inch filters, you can go with a MERV 11 or even a MERV 13 and get better filtration. Higher fan speeds can also get you more air changes and pull that dirt out of the air. However, if you choose to do this, keep track of your humidity. You can experience loss of humidity control. The air spends less time going over the coil, which means there's less opportunity for that air to lose its moisture. Monitor your humidity level and keep it below 60%, ideally below 50%. Finally, consider an air purifier. You can go with an integrated version like the Remy Halo, which is the one we prefer. It's integrated in the ductwork and it operates with the machine. It has a 5-year element life and minimal maintenance. You can also go with a floor model that you buy almost anywhere, and with a little extra work, it'll get your room clean, but maybe not your whole home. My goal in this video was to give an efficient answer to your AC questions. If you have other questions, please leave them in the comments below and we'll get back to you. And if you're in Central Texas, you can call us to schedule an appointment. Bye now.